Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the volume on your headset on your Xbox One. So let's go ahead and jump into this Xbox tutorial right now. So if your headset doesn't have a volume control knob on it, you can also increase the volume on the Xbox One. So I'm just using a Samsung headset that I got with my phone. How would I go ahead and increase the volume so I can hear the game louder? So if I'm on the home screen right now and then I press the Xbox button on my controller, then go to the right to parties and chats and start a party, I can go down to options right here and then go to audio settings. Once under audio settings, you can see there is a headset volume knob, and I can slide this to the left and right and make my headset louder. Then also, you have a headset chat mixer. So do you want the party chat to be louder than the game chat? Move this to the right. If you want the game chat to be louder than the people talking in your party, move this to the left. Then mic monitoring essentially is your voice when you're speaking in your headset. You'll kind of hear yourself talk. So increasing the headset volume on your Xbox One is very easy if you don't have it on your headset itself. Just make sure your headset is turned on the top here, and you should be good to go. So for me, using this Samsung headset, and I just plug it right into my Xbox controller, is very convenient and useful. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Xbox One tech help tips coming up next on YourSixStudios.